Packing smart is crucial for your trip to Australia. Let's highlight the biggest packing mistakes to avoid. One of the biggest mistakes is packing prohibited items. Australia has strict biosecurity laws. Always declare items if you're unsure. Failure to do so can lead to heavy fines or deportation. Even packaged and processed foods must be declared. Some products might contain restricted ingredients. If you're carrying liquids in your hand luggage, remember the 100 ml rule. Overpacking can lead to overweight baggage fees. We recommend checking your airline's baggage policy. If you're carrying more than $10,000, you must declare it at customs. Consider using travel cards. Double-check that you have your passport, visa, health insurance, and proof of accommodation. Research the climate of your destination before packing. Australia's weather can vary greatly. A little planning can save you time, money, and stress at the airport. Safe travels.